Hey, what's going on, gents? My name is Ian and welcome to the Fitman Style channel. We talk about style here from the fit man's perspective. So if you're a fit guy that loves to dress well, or you're just trying to improve your style, but you're having a hard time finding clothes that fit your physique, I hope to be your guide throughout this process. I got a really good one for you guys today, so let's get into this topic. One thing that I talk about on this channel is going the custom route, because a lot of companies, not all of them, but a lot of companies that offer ready-to-wear clothing, off-the-rack clothing, they have this one-size-fits-all mass-produced mentality, and everything nowadays seems to come in a very slim cut. And as you know, fit men come in various body types. You have your mesomorphs, your endomorphs, and your ectomorphs. Take me for example. The shirts that I wear are a 16 neck and a 34-35 sleeve. That may fit me well, but it may fit another man who wears the same thing totally different. So going the custom route is sometimes your best option. Luckily, there are brands out there, some of which I've already reviewed on this channel, that have made going custom easily accessible. It's not this thing that only rich people do. You and I can get in on this custom fun as well. So it's not only easily accessible, but it's also very affordable and very convenient. You can do all the customizations, all the measurements in the comfort of your home, sometimes without even a tailor. And one of those brands I'm gonna talk about today is called Luxire. I'm gonna get the right pronunciation by the end of this video. So who is Luxire? Luxire is a made-to-measure company founded by Ashish Ara in 2012 in Bangalore, India. They offer various types of fabrics from linen to cotton to wool, and these fabrics come from British, Italian, and Swiss mills, so you're getting the best of the best. Once the fabrics are chosen, the garments are made to the customer's measurements. If not all are made by hand, most are made by hand. I wouldn't put it past them if they use technology to be more efficient. Alright, let's go through the specifications of the pants real quick. So as you can see, it has no belt loops other than this one where the extended front closure goes through, and then it attaches to this button right here. Side adjusters, it has double pleats, forward facing pleats. So there's one right there and there's another right there. Pocket is on the seam. I added suspender buttons on the inside, so there's suspender buttons there. It has shirt stays, so to keep my shirts tucked in for those days that I don't wear my suspenders. And cuffs. The cuffs are, I believe they're about an inch and a half from what I can tell. Let's just see. Cuffs are about, yep, inch and a half cuff. What else? This is the first pair of pants that I have fly with buttons on them, so that's cool. This one's a little loose, so I guess they didn't do that pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty much the specifications of the pants. Look pretty good, so I'm gonna just throw these on and see how it fits me. see they do fit me pretty well. For a guy who measured himself, they came back fitting perfectly. Again, I would not recommend that. For you, it's best to have someone with you to take your measurements for you. These are their high-waisted dress pants, and technically dress pants are supposed to be worn on your waist. I know a lot of pants that are made nowadays are made to be worn on the hip, which is kind of weird. I can get that with jeans and chinos, but definitely if you're gonna wear dress pants, they should be worn on your waist. So they did that pretty well. Turnaround time, from the time you order it to the time you receive it in the mail, is about 3 weeks, so that's a pretty fast turnaround time. This is their plain brown canvas fabric. You know, not too crazy about it. It does have a thick, heavy feel, so it's best for this time of the year when it's really cold. Price-wise, you're looking at $79.99. So, I mean, it is what it is. You get what you pay for, and quite frankly, when you're looking at the different specifications that come with the pants, for $79.99, these are things that you can find on higher end dress pants. So I think you get these at a pretty decent, affordable price. Customer service. I think that customer service is pretty efficient. I remember when I was doing my measurements, I was having second thoughts after I sent them in, and I reached out to them, and within an hour or two, they got back to me. So I appreciate that. So customer service is pretty good. But all in all, I do love the pants. I am looking at other fabrics that I'm gonna be purchasing in the near future, because they have everything that I want in pants. They have the side adjusters, they have the pleats, which is my first time wearing pleated pants in a long time. And just to give you guys an insight, next week's video is gonna be why I feel Fitman should invest in pleated pants. But anyway, it does have side adjusters, the pleats, the cuffs, and it just fits me and it's very comfortable. All right, gents, thank you for joining me in this week's video. Truly appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you heard of Luxire? Have you thought about going the made-to-measure route when it comes to dress pants? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already. And thank you again for joining me. I will see you next week, same time, same place. And until then, stay fly, stay fit.